Welcome back. Forest Department officials are under political pressure in the wild boar poaching case probe. Some of the forest officials are backing the illegal poachers. These are serious allegations from the Animal Rescue Squad at Ponda. The squad also alleged that wild boar caught in recent raid was declared a domestic boar and was buried without proper postmortem. Objection from the NGO has now led to a re-postmortem of the buried wild boar.
Animal Rescue Squad in Ponda is annoyed with the forest officials probing the killing of wild boar. NGO has charged that forest officials of backing animal poachers.
रानदुकर व्हरताना म्हणजे जंगलांतल्यान रातच्या टायमार बरो बांदून ताका फाटीर मारून दोग जाण व्हरताले. तर अशा रानदुकराक व्हरताना आमी रेड हँडेड धरलो. मागीर फॉरेस्ट आयले, थंय फॉरेस्टान तांकां अरेस्ट केले. जे प्राथमीक कितें करपाचें आशिल्लें तें केलें. आनी मागीर तांचे लोक कितें म्हणपाक लागले की ना तो रानदुकर न्ही घरदुकर आसतलो. केसीक एक वेगळें वळण दिवपाचो प्रयत्न जालो. तर ताजेर आमी मागीर फॉरेस्टान डॉक्टराक आपयली आनी जी ती डॉक्टर आयिल्ली फॉरेस्टाची म्हणून कोण तांणी ताका पोस्टमॉर्टम आमी केलो आनी तो घरदुकर आसा अशें जाहीर केलें. तर आमी ज्या दिसा रेड मारपाक गेल्ले त्या दिसा रेड मारता थंयच त्या कुळागरान फॉरेस्टाक पॉलिटिकली कोणाचो तरी मिनिस्टराचो फोन आयलो आनी तांकां सांगलें तुमी थंयच्यान उठा.
The recent raid at Tarawale has nabbed 2 wild boar poachers. However, squad members allege that the forest officials are under political pressure.
फॉरेस्टाचे काही ऑफिसरांक वयल्या मिनिस्टरांचे किंवा स्थानिक नेत्यांचे फोन येताले आनी ते आमचे मनीस आसा तांकां हें करनाका आनी करनाका. बरे काही लोक येवन तांकां मेळटाले अशें पॉलिटिकल प्रेशर हे सतत फॉरेस्टाचेर आशिल्लें.
NGO demands a proper probe. Objection from the NGO has now led to a re-postmortem of the buried wild boar. RFO Dharajit Naik says they are awaiting report from the veterinarian.
टेक्निकल पर्सन म्हणटा पळय तो कन्सर्न टेक्निकल पर्सन रिपोर्ट येल्या शिवाय आमी तेजे फुडें कांयच प्रोसेस करपाक शकना. सेकंडली इवन आमी जर ताका कोर्टान सुद्दां प्रोड्यूस करतलो जाल्यार तो डोमेस्टीक आनी वायल्ड हो जर प्रूव करतलो सिद्ध करतलो जाल्यार वेटरनरी ऑफिसराचो रिपोर्ट आसा तो म्हत्वाचो.
Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
FC Goa and Northeast India finished the ISL match on 1-1 draw on Sunday. The match played at Indira Gandhi Stadium in Guwahati saw both the teams frequently attacking each other poles but could not alter the scores. It was tough play between both the teams, especially for FC Goa fighting it out on a home ground of Northeast United. Gregory scored the first goal for FC Goa while Koke scored for Northeast the goal on a controversial penalty. FC Goa will play against Kolkata at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Goa on Thursday.
Launched from high, that should be the keeper's. Oh, and he's dropped it and it must... Oh, that's incredible. It's got to go in eventually. What an extraordinary goal it is. And Gregory was right there on the line to tap it in, but I'm afraid the selection of Rehanesh there has let Ricky Herbert down. You'll know by the reaction. It's a goal! Okay! Northeast United 1, FC Goal 1. It may have been controversial. He kept his calm. He's their top goal scorer and he is very, very unhappy.
That was the big decision taken by the referee to award Northeast a penalty.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.